Hey, what's up guys? Gus again here with RSNL Media, and today's instructional video is going to be all about camera movement. So a great way to get dynamic, interesting shots is to move your camera in interesting ways. So today we're going to talk about the bare basics of camera movement and the motivation behind moving your camera in the first place. So there's a ton of different ways you can move your camera, but today we're going to talk about some of the bare basics. This is what you're going to use most of the time and see most of the time. So let's get started. So first, you have your pan. Your pan is when you're moving the camera from side to side horizontally like this. Your tilt is when you're tilting your camera up and down vertically like this. Now your zoom is generally not actually moving the camera forward, but a lot of digital camcorders have a zoom option on the camera, right? So you press the button and you can zoom in or out. You can do that on some lenses as well. Now with dolly is when you're actually taking your whole camera system and moving it forward or moving it backwards. A truck is when you're taking the whole camera system and you're moving it side to side. That's different than a pan. With a pan, you're moving it like this. The whole camera system isn't moving, you're just pointing the lens horizontally left or right. The truck, you're actually moving the whole system left to right. So then you have your boom or your jib, some people call it different things. So this is when the whole camera system is moving up or down vertically. So that's different than your tilt, right? Same thing, the tilt is you're pointing the camera up or down. With the boom or jib movement, your camera is actually moving up or down. And then you have your roll. This is something you don't see quite as often. It's a very creative choice. And that's when you take your whole camera system and you're rolling it from side to side, or maybe fully 360 if you have the rig to be able to do that. So why do you want to move your camera at all, other than the fact that it can look cool? What you're really trying to do is draw focus to multiple things, multiple places within the same take. Going from composition to composition, and maybe to composition, depending on how complex your shot is. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I hope you found this video useful. Now get out there and make some awesome videos.